Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back, subscribers. Wanna know the vibe? So, as with the description of the video say, Beenie man confirms say him and Krystal separated. So subscribe if you're new. Everybody white house to say, curtain and bag of things. Man call the FBI and say man, you have to come out of the White House because he have what? He have 25 more days before he come. He don't need nobody in the place. Yeah man. Alright, before we go up on that serious topic, we'll talk about this. People, oh God, what we're gonna do this now? Yeah, Krystal Tomlinson and Moses Davis is, yeah, okay, we are apart. We are not together anymore. It's not because of any bad vibes or any disrespect. It's just people just grew apart and yeah, life changed. That's it. And yeah. So me, free single disengaged. She, free single ready to engage. So blessing. Yes, so guys, as we all know, it was more than just a journey for them, a love journey. You see me? Enough people kind of vex about the situation because enough people are fight for them to say, oh. But the dad don't confirm say it wasn't a bad reason why them left. As you can see, I'm in a fault thing. Them just grew apart. You see me? Yeah, so people left and still a watch Candy. I'm not gonna tell a lie. Candy will forget Rehab differently, but you say Cheese rate her differently. She a hold it down with her. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yellow can make you silent to that. Ah! Candy the care all the struggle is real, my friend. Never you do that. Don't break. Can't say you can't consider and think about the situation, but don't break. And you say don't break, yeah, break now. Get up. I love Candy. I love C. I love C. I love C. Give me that. Put that bumbo clot, candy and cheese. I wanna feel this. See. I like bumbo clot. Done it done. Watch Candy face. See. I put smile this so. Whole heap of soul me live all the while. Me cheesy plastic. Right, it's a shade. Never ready to come live yet, you know. I can't just come and she not attack and she say give me a phone. I sad. No one attack. So talk to your people them. She's give her a weed then no and she not eat nothing. You mad? Because first one she fucking ungrateful I say.
One of them done.
Look why she leave baby lad and I walk on a big boy. Sir, I miss. You don't understand the
So could woman better beg more than tea.
Yeah.
Or sell your pussy. Yeah? So if you don't sell it, our teeth make a rich there, so where you want it, stay there. Yeah, bitch?
She's beloved, oh you always did if you can't do the better oh she is, what? Can you need somebody? Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody for you, no matter what the situation is. So I have good friend. Can you please leave the white lady alone?
Are you close? You tell me to leave? You white up?
White lady, I quote them at
You me know. So them white shirt, them a tell me to leave.
okay, hold on for them shirt.
Yeah, I have them shirt. So me go get back a man.
Go back to baby Lord Candy for
Come suck me on him.
yes, she's cheer her up. Hey, Candy, I've eyed to pick up a Western Union. No, I've ID. She put the thing there. They hide that deadly. Sorry. Gosh. Candy not an ID, but she's a good girl. Blase, we do it for me. Can't go Western Union. Western Union give me a big black and cement. The camera out. Take the camera out of Candy mouth, no sir.
Come put your one in my mouth. Right alive.
Yeah. Oh my God. Candy really? She's linked me, dear me. Okay, yeah, well, DJ Bolly, I will. Candy, I brush your gum from man.
You
Rub
suck
them, no,
pussy
man.
from evil.
Yeah. Rub them, man. Bumbo blood clot. No matter how the situation, say, rub out them blood clot. You want help, but them a this, them. Anybody a this, them back. Lord, free fucker rape.
Murder you.
No, the person back you.
Yeah.
The person big you up and
Yeah.
back you.
Lord, free fucker rape. Right for them.
Blood clot candy say them tongues. Why? No sir, they don't laugh. Judine, you chat too much. How only Judine?
I don't know, Angelo, but that's how we are done me.
Go sit on them candy girl with candy. What? Kid will help you. Which kid? Sometimes I type too fast now. Bad run is a thing. Then can't be say I can beat the black dog. Watch. I gotta lick him because I'm not supposed to. Let me check the cash app. I don't say nothing at all, Auntie Girl. She. $10. Yeah. Somebody said $10 candy. Tell him thanks. Why you and him break up?
That's none of your business.
Yeah.
If you want to suck him, would you go over there? Blood clot.
Understand, say the lady take coke. Laugh out loud. Amelia, me a dead.
Amelia fish dead.
Amelia friend session. How much is the rent? How much is the rent?
5 grand.
Only to go those candy.
Be honest.
$5,000 a month you pay. Not going fair for you. Love candy, me too. Candy, where your mother?
They have to share them with their mind.
So why Candy talk like she don't take coke, but said she will go rehab?
You see me big pussy girl or big pussy man. Eh? People attack, say them want to go rape some willing for blood clot go.
Exactly. When you go rehab, then we know if you take it. Yes
so
or
then we
no.
know if you take it or not.
Pastor Joseph
So good man or so good man.
You're
When
a
you come
true
eat
friend,
it,
she's
buy
Spanish
it.
town, where I have to come. If I move fast, you don't do that. You man comment down, I'm gonna get if you don't read it.
Everybody else.
Rub them candy. Any girl who I'm for them, I make it know. I give them a shout out and rub them dirty blood clot. Love Tabara, hello. The food. Wow.
Whoa.
The blood clot. They can't do it.
Right.
When they can't call that dopey, that's one thing when my blood clot no. Candy they are looking like this for they drunker. I said the moment you go and step in her right hands, none of we can't talk to Candy, but once you can do that really this way.
No, I love you. Listen, go slum, come back. And buy bless your juice, bless your drink and your weed and your cigarette money.
It's true, that's what I'm rating Candy.
I'm going and buy dog him, buy dog him juice
yeah.
I'm a drink.
You get anything from me Candy, I think kind of slow down right now. You know my foot.
Sick, when your foot never sick, my daddy, when it's sick, my daddy. So where I say to him?
No, me just say, even my friend, me just say we just all the meds, you know.
All right.
Talk about life, cause reality, you know.
Yeah.
It may sound harsh and sound away, but a facts.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah. Deal with your boss.
I don't feel like she would have left you. She lucky. If she want to leave me, if things can turn for her, she forget about me. I tell her to blood clot. Should that be a wicked act?
No, yes,
me believe in your Candy, and it's good when you have somebody who believe in you. All you need for do, my friend, is, you know what you need for do? Clean up yourself.
Yeah,
when you clean up yourself, Candy them build lyrics and swat like Ninja Man, you know. You know the people with the talent them ever fuck up themselves certain. Brother, them woman in the right tune, them one of the song and spit it and I remember back every line. And them and have the, you see me? I have big up people like them there. Gifted.